How to find people on Instagram using Discover People. In this video, I'll show you how to find people on Instagram using the Discover People feature. This feature helps you discover friends, mutual connections, and people from your contacts. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Next, tap Discover People next to the Edit Profile button. If you don't see it, tap Edit Profile, then return to your profile or connect your contacts if prompted. Instagram will display suggested accounts based on your mutual connections, contacts, and interests. Tap See All to browse more suggestions, and tap Follow next to any account you'd like to connect with. That's it. You've successfully learned how to find people on Instagram using Discover People. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.